Hello everyone! If you are watching this video today, you're watching it to learn how to set up your Chapter Inc. Account. So I will be going through the steps of that today. So you'll get an email from Billhighway, and if that's difficult to find, I'd suggest that you type into your search bar Delta Zeta, and Chapter Inc. should pop up, and then you'll see one from Billhighway as well. Go ahead and click on the Billhighway, and you'll go through all this information. Let's see if I can. There we go. So you'll see a little introduction, just like setting up your Delta Zeta account. And you're going to want to keep this open and open a separate tab as well. So you'll see here that I have my Billhighway tab ready to go. My activation code in my first tab right here. I click on Billhighway and I enter, my email address should already be entered. From there, I would recommend copying your activation code and pasting it in the activation code box. You create your own username. As it says, it has to be 8 to 50 characters, and then set your own password. From there, you'll press submit. And from there, you have now created your Billhighway account. It's super important to keep track of this information because this is how you will be paying all of your bills. Thank you for your time. One last thing, if you do have any questions regarding Delta Zeta, financials, you should contact Isa Salgado. That is our local treasurer, and her number is listed here for you if you have any questions. Thanks for your time. Hope this helps.